I didn't make an update about my keyboard project for a while, but I made a new prototype. Here it is. It has all the best features of the first one. It can be magnetically attached to your iPhone. Now it has nice rubber fits. It has really nice and sleek hinge design. It's in general really nice to use. Unfortunately, it doesn't work super well. These keys are still not really nice to work and they're not the most reliable, and it's probably the last prototype of this keyboard I will make. However, I decided to open source the whole project and you can download and try to make your own iteration on it.